Hello everyone, today is Monday, March 11th. It's 3:10 p.m. It's about 50 minutes before the regular session close. You can see my computer clock on my right and on my left. The time and sales showing the E-mini S&P trading at 2785.50. A decent day for the auto trader today. First up is the crude oil on a Superenco 8 tick. This is using our line break logic, and you can see our line break signals here, and this first trade was a very well-placed trade early in the session, right after the open. And a second trade here, there was no drawdown, and this hit its goal of 1,020, I believe, with no slippage. This chart has been really consistent in the crude. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on a Superenco 4-tick chart, and this hit its goal of 850 and had a little bit of slippage. This one has a higher time frame filter of Superenco 6, and this is one of the Superenco 4 ticks that we've seen very frequently. Market was really strong today, going up. Been an increase in volatility, but you can see the higher time frame filter here allowed only long trades and kind of skipped through these one-bar pullbacks. Didn't get pulled into a short because of the pullback. Okay, next is the crude oil on a Superenco 6 tick, and this had 2 winners and 1 loser, and you can see the losing trade here, just a little bit of a pullback in the equity curve. The first equity high was about 600. This is trading 2 contracts, so that's 300 a contract, and then it came up and hit its goal with this trade here, and our goal on this is probably 1,000 or so. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on just a regular 5 Renko chart. This has a goal of 900, and it did 750 for the day, and we didn't get trail stopped out. We hit our first and second target of 20 and 40 ticks, and 40 ticks is 10 points in the ES, so you can kind of see the size of this move here. Pretty strong, and a strong day in the market today as well. Okay, I'm recording the second part of this video after the close. So the Superenco 4 tick with a higher time frame filter of Superenco 5 finished into the close and did 737.50. The goal on this, I think, is 750, and indeed it is. So this basically hit our goal. A couple of nice trades here with no drawdown. Okay, the E-mini S&P on a Superenco 4 tick, and this is using our opening range filter. You can see it here. We didn't get filled on our limit order when the market took off here, but we still ended up doing 450 for the day. The goal on this one is 750, and so there was just a single trade here, no drawdown, so it's still a pretty nice gain for the day. The E-mini S&P on a Superenco 6 tick, also using our opening range filter, just had a single long trade. There's a small loser here, a very small loser, and ended up at 375 for the day. Okay, the E-mini S&P on a Superenco 4 tick chart with a 60-minute higher time frame has a goal of 1,050 and finished at 237.50. We had an equity high of about $400 here, and then there was a loser here at the very end of trading. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.